In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the timeline view in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know how to add a timeline column to your board and set clear start and end dates for your items, which is what powers the timeline view and helps you visualize project schedules at a glance. First, head to your Monday.com. Home. This is your central hub where you can quickly jump into the areas you work in most. From here, open Workspaces. Workspaces organize your boards by team, project, or department, so choose the workspace that contains the board you want to schedule on. If you're unsure which one to pick, look for the workspace where you normally track tasks for this project. Next, click into the board you'll be working on. This is the table where your items like tasks, deliverables, or milestones are listed in rows. We're going to add a timeline column so each item has a defined start and end date, which will translate into a visual bar on a timeline. At the top of your board, locate the plus sign on the right side of your columns and click it to add a new column. If you don't see the plus sign, try scrolling your columns horizontally until it appears at the edge. This opens the column center where you can search for the type of column you need. In the search field, type Timeline. You'll see the Timeline option appear. Select Timeline to add it to your board. This column is different from a simple date column because it tracks a range, both the beginning and end of a task, so it's perfect for scheduling multi-day work, handoffs, or dependencies. Once it's added, you'll see an empty timeline cell for each row. Now let's set dates. Click into the timeline cell in the row you want to schedule. This opens the date picker and shows a calendar. Choose your start date first. Pick the day your work realistically begins, considering prerequisites and team availability. After that, select your end date. Make sure it falls after the start date and reflects the actual duration you need, including any buffer for reviews or approvals. When you confirm, Monday.com will create a bar representing that time span for the item, which will show up in the timeline view and make overlaps, gaps, and workloads easier to spot. That's it. You went to Home, opened your workspace, selected the right board, added a timeline column, and set start and end dates for an item. Repeat those date selections for your remaining rows, and your project schedule will come to life. Thanks for watching, and enjoy planning with confidence using the timeline in Monday.com.